Pointerra3D's bookmark feature allows users to save a view if they wish to come back to it. To create a bookmark, either right-click on the viewer and click Bookmark this view, or on the left-hand side, click Bookmark the current view. Give it a name and go Create. The bookmarks will show up with thumbnails, which can also be turned off. You can also send a link to another user. You can edit the bookmark as well as update the view. You can also delete the bookmark. The bookmark will also retain any datasets you have loaded as well as what point cloud colorization is chosen.